and white and shaggy and... Oh, my God, where are you? I'll be right... They're here already? How are they doing this?
Where's the dog?
Yeah, that dog left.
What dog? There's no dog here.
Phoebe, open up.
There's no dog in here. No, that's just me coughing.
Phoebe, we can hear the dog barking.
Oh, good. There you are. Listen, I have a dog in my room. Tam, wait. May I please stay with you nice people?
If I am anywhere near a dog for more than 5 minutes, my throat will just close up.
I wish you could stay here, but Chandler's allergic.
Extremely allergic, okay?
That's odd, because this dog's been living here for the past 3 days.
Really? Still has to go, right?